What's going on, everybody? Good morning. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. I am just starting mine. I woke up this morning and I'm just so thankful from yesterday and how it all went. If you haven't watched the video, I'll put it right here, but I got my money unfrozen. So I don't know, I feel freaking amazing. Still waiting for the money, but it doesn't matter. I did it, it's done. So anyways, today we're going to be doing customer orders first, but before we do that, I gotta clean up a little bit and I gotta have some coffee because I am just super tired. Also, thank you all so much for liking my video from yesterday and the past couple videos. The videos are doing great. My subscriber rate's going up. So thank you all for supporting, and any new subscribers, what up? Thank you so much for watching. If you don't know me, my name is Nick. I'm an entrepreneur. I basically started this channel because I've had businesses my whole life, but I feel like documenting it and showing the ups and downs for myself and also for others is super important. So if you're into that stuff, subscribe down below, and then also give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm so more people like you can be brought up to my channel. So, all right, let's get to it. Oh, so good. Mwah. As you all know, my account has gotten unfrozen and I have funds going into my bank account. And I was thinking, what can I buy that can help me with either business or investments or whatever? And I'm like, what is my bottleneck with my business? If I am creating stickers myself at home, what is the bottleneck for me to do that? And it comes down to a couple things, but the most important ones are the cutting machine and the printer. Now, I have now got these two cutting machines working simultaneously. I can't speak, by the way, and it's one of my downfalls, and so I apologize if I can't speak correctly, anyways, I'm working on that. And the other one is the printer. Now I try to get this printer to work with this printer, but the quality of this one is going to crap. And so this is the only printer that's working. So I was thinking, I'm like, what can I do to unbottleneck part of my business? So I just purchased a new printer. Now let me explain to you how fast this printer is. This printer apparently can print 5 color pages a minute, okay? The new printer that I just purchased, wait for it, 25 pages per minute color. That's 4 times the print speed. Now I know that this printer it's working at highest quality, so it's probably doing like 1 page per minute, if that. So I can't even imagine how fast this one is going to do. So we will have to see. It comes in on Tuesday, so if you're not subscribed, subscribe down below, because on Tuesday I will be getting this printer. It wasn't super cheap, it was $700, but I'm doing payments on it, and there's 0 APR. And I got a 4-year protection plan on it too. This one's got a 3-year. So all my stuff is protected, which is really good. I don't think this was a bad decision, and I think this is going to help scale my business. So I'm very excited. So at the moment we are printing out some customer orders on this little printer, and it's about to get a lot bigger. So I'm super, super excited to see where this goes. But yeah, let's get these printed out. Let's get these customer orders going, and let's be done with the day. But before we do that, let's go cut out some cat decals, because that is one of our best sellers. And maybe by tomorrow, we're going to have a new FBA ship. Okay, is it just me, or does Amazon, anytime you need something like very, very fast and it's super important and it says it's gonna come on that day, it's always delayed? Well, that just happened to me today. So I have laminate, like this is, the laminate's gone. I don't have any more laminate. And I had like these 2 more sheets right here for product. Well, I have 5 sheets I'm printing out right now. And I'm like, dude, I don't have any more laminate. And now it's saying it's gonna be here tomorrow. It's delayed. And I'm like, dude, perfect. How am I gonna get these orders out? Luckily, I thought ahead and I had some extra laying around. Very lucky. It'll last me through today. But tomorrow, if it's not here, there's gonna be a problem. This truly makes me so happy seeing both of these machines run at the same time. It's twice as fast now. So convenient. What if I get another machine? I just get another Cricut. And then I got that new printer. I could literally just start doing, I don't know. I'm tripping. This is so cool. Look at this. Look at it. Cutting. That's so awesome. All right guys, so at the moment I am working on the skull decal, and then I got these goat decals I gotta get out. My buddy just sent me over his file for his company, Dude Sick. So he said he only wanted 10. I'm doing a whole sheet for free. That's my boy. And yeah, let's get to it. I'm not gonna lie, I do miss getting packages like this. I mean, this is about 40 packages. I love hard work. I know I need to scale, but I do love like getting orders out manually and just seeing how much work I've put in over the years and seeing the outcome of it. But I know I need to scale, but still. So obviously this view looks a little different than my apartment. I went to my parents' house. My mom's out of town right now and my dad's at work. So I wanted to watch the dogs for a little bit, see if they're doing all right. Orders are done. So let's go over yesterday's revenue and show you how much money we made. All right, guys, so starting off with eBay, we made $18.15, but yes, today was pretty crazy. $53.33 we made on Shopify yesterday. We made $500.41 on Amazon, which is pretty high. So a total of $572. Again, another decent day, which is really good. I love seeing this go up. We need to have more days like this, and we need actually $1,000 days, but I can't complain. Even though we're on day 17, we're supposed to be at $17,000. We're at 6,221. If you guys are interested in watching me hit the 30K mark, maybe not this month, maybe not next, but I will hit the 30K mark, subscribe down below, and I'll make a video every single day until I hit that point. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It helps other people find my videos that are just like you. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great day.